And them do pruning.
Yes, people, I have some very important question about the Canadian Farm Work Program. We as Jamaican, the Mexicans, and the Guatemalans, why is it a problem for us wearing gloves, whether we're picking cherries or we're picking apples, knowing that we are actually protecting ourselves, our health? First, health is wealth. If we wear gloves while picking the cherry, it's a problem. In Kelowna area, to be exact, it's a problem. The chemical where them spray upon the fruits, and you know them get stuck on the leaf and the dust, everything mix up. That already a kill we have by inhale it in our lungs. You know? And sometimes you can take a good look. This, see my finger look, that caused by the chemical we upon the tree, the fruits, you know, or stick get up between underneath your fingernail, and that's only happened because we are not wearing protective gears like gloves. So me not bash the thing, but me just ask some simple and very important question. And I think this is something the consulate should take in consideration. I think them need to have some meeting about it. You know, we do save a response to the program. The bigger heads them. Because if them set some rules, some law, and say this supposed to happen, the employer cannot stop it. I think them need to take this into consideration and look into it. Both the Jamaican consulate, the Mexican consulate, and the Guatemalan consulate, them need to look into this. It's very serious. And remember, me never call a specific employer name, so me not really bring down no one farm, no. But to my belief, me just think say them need to take this into consideration. Yeah, it is very serious. This is my belief. From someone who's on the program for like 12 years, you know, it is very serious. I think we can normally, when we say gloves, I'm not talking no thick working gloves. Them have some very soft gloves, especially when you're in the apples. And like the cherry now, we can wear some little them rubber gloves. Yeah, them have some very strong one. My belief is, I think them need to allow us to wear them. Regardless, sometimes the guys them just use them and just drop them in the orchard. That is a no-no. We know that for a fact. So I think that was one of the problems, make them don't allow us to wear it, because you know the when they talk work food safe, see, yeah, them not allow the orchard to be littered. Them is a no-no. Having rubbish, garbage in the orchard, it's a very no-no. Kind of understand the part there, but yeah. So consulate, if you don't hear me, just do the right thing. Yeah, just do the right thing and represent. Morning. Yeah. We are here. Welcome back to the channel, my people. This morning, at the morning, we out in our numbers. As you see, my people, you see what I want. Man like rice grain scatter. I bring them ladder to them row. Yeah, man, and you see what I go on in the background, yeah, so we there to pick some cherry this morning, my people. And this, I want new cherry from the market named Benton. Very nice, very high on sugar, so you can't eat too much, but one of the nicest cherry on the market in Kelowna. Welcome to Canada. So today, like I say, we are going to pick some cherry, my people, so stick and stay tuned. And always remember, like the video, leave a comment. Yeah, man. So we line up. We just have like 6 more minutes before we start, my people. Yeah, man, we have a 5 o'clock start in the morning, yeah. Yeah, man, we outside again, my people, once more. Yeah, we there. I eat one for it, Ed. Yeah, man, Ed. Yeah, man, my people, so we out. Couple minutes to 5 before we start. Yeah, man. That is it. Them tree are some new tree, people, so them kind of scanty. We are remember, this cherry season kind of get lit by frost, so we have to just run to the road, them and pick the remain of what leave, you know. But it's not every orchard stay like this, guys. Yeah, man. Boss saying why we take time this morning.
Take that out. Raise a finger.
Go and beat the roughness in that cherry field, you know? So not, but we are cool out and fight the roughness, my boy. Alright, that's why there, man. Up!
find me. Can't find me.
Good. Oh, right. Mexico. Keep your pussy clean.
It's top lane now.
Yo.
Then get 2 hours, you see. Hey boy, watch him, you know. But me when I build them really watch it, then you should someone watch it. And the dog, if you subscribe, you know, because you know it's a good yard. Wait, me, I'm going to come out something one time and see shut up.
You see a girl that like it, say boy, I like it too. And then when you take on the energy, you go fuck. Words take on energy, brother. All night. You never think here, no. Never think here. See, I heard. Yes, I heard. You want to show us your words, same way. I want to link it up for you. Eh? Are you link it up? Oh, alright. Are you link it up? You're link. Alright. And I'm like, you're link. Where's that energy, man? Where's that positive or negative? Alright. You would choose where
And them not do pruning. Come on over here, somebody has to say, you see this. We do 2 hours, right? Yeah. We do 2 hours.
When you come off in that town, you have to just take one extra. But I say they turn the sign one way. In a